now I have to share my screen. Let me know when you can see my screen.
I can see your screen.
And can you see the software now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I hope it's recording okay. Because once I recorded, like my mouse was here, so I recorded the whole like this thing instead of it was just a small window for the recording. So I'm gonna click my window, and then I'm gonna go here and start with the Facebook group commenter. So very easy things, but I don't know. Some people might find it hard because I coded it, so I know how it works. I found that the delete option is not working, which is a backend issue, and that will be fixed very soon, right?
Okay.
So just give me a minute. I have to just mute for a while, and I'll be back in a second, okay?
All right.
Okay, guys, I'm back. Alright. So I think it's pretty sure. The very first step is auto login, right? So you click auto login and it automatically logs you in. So I'm gonna click 1 for now. If it's doing this step, make sure you click auto login again and again, but I'm gonna do it manually right now. So okay. So let me just, where is the noise coming from? I'm gonna mute you both and then you can unmute yourself, okay? You can ask questions here in the chat box as well. So now let me grab my, so the first step is navigate to bump URLs. You simply navigate to bump URLs, and if you see such thing, make sure you like enter your username there. Okay, so I'll copy it and I'll enter, and then I'll click navigate to bump URLs, and here I will scroll down 20 times, and then for now I'm just scrolling down 20 times so that I can see, because I keep bumping my group posts, right? So you see commented on his own post, commented on his own post. So I don't want to grab the commented URLs. I want to grab the posting URLs, which will be deep if you have been bumping your group posts for long. So here you can see John Khan posted in this group. So now it would be grabbing those posts. So let me scroll a little bit more. Now I'm gonna save bump URLs. I'm gonna call it is bump URLs John Khan automation.txt, and then I'll click grab bump URLs and I'm done, right? Now I'll upload the same net here group URLs, the same bump URLs. Where are they? Here you see it has grabbed almost everything. Now, if you want to upload an image, you can simply include any image, right? And simply upload it, right? I'm gonna include a comments file, so let's see if I have any comments file over here. Let me find it with a C. Comments. Yeah, cool. These are cool comments. An interval between comments, like when you are pumping, you don't need to set an interval between comments. But we will just enter one for now. We should set an interval for the groups, which is 5. Number of posts to comment in each group. When you are bumping, it's gonna always be 1. Batch interval in second. Let's see, I want to wait for 5 minutes, right? So group number batch, like for example, if you want to wait after 50 groups, you want to wait for like 5 minutes. So I want to wait like 50. After 50 groups, I want to wait for 300 seconds, right? And then I'll just hit run and you're done. You don't need anything else, right? Now the auto post likes, if you check it, it will also like the post, right? It simply likes the post. So it has commented, but make sure when you are checking this, make sure you stop it and then check it. Like if you're checking in between, in the middle, it won't work then, right? So this is Facebook group commenter. I hope you guys would have understood how it works, right? So if you have any questions about this, now you can ask me, right? Let me just, you can unmute yourself and just like you simply click here and then click unmute. I think you have muted yourself, Peter. Okay, I think it should be clear now. Shouldn't it be? Okay, got it. It should be clear. You can ask question in between as well. Now I'm gonna stop it right now. Now I'm gonna move to the graph search DOmination. So here we'll go to facebook.com. And let's see, let's search for people who are interested in, let's see, make money online. Right? And we were searching for people, not for places, not for anything else. If I click people, okay, now we want to message these people. So you see there is no message button over here or here. So what we will do, we will grab these people. So I'm gonna call it is graph search make money online people.txt, and I type fast, don't I? Now you click grab graph search URLs, open this file, it will contain all the URLs of these people. Now one thing, this we cannot use it here anymore. So what I decided to give it a trick. If you're seeing this INRP like this thing, make sure you remove this part. You remove this part. It's long bit of URLs. You will remove it, okay? And if it's an ID, make sure you remove this part as well. So for like there would be tons of IDs. So for now it has only once, but if there are many, you will simply copy it, right click, copy, and edit, replace, Control V, and replace it with nothing. With what? With nothing. And we have to remove these parts as well. Control C for copying, Control H for replace, Control V for pasting, and replace all. Right? We have to remove these things as well, so that we are not being tracked by Facebook that where he's getting these URLs from, and you will click replace all. Now one last step to edit the text is you simply copy this https facebook.com. You simply copy it with Control C, Control H, Control V, right? And then you Control V here as well. Write down messages at the end and make sure there is this sign over here, right? and you simply hit replace all. Now you are good to go. You can simply save this list, and now we can use it over here. Where is the Facebook auto messaging service? Where is it? Auto messaging. Here it is. Now write down any message. Hey, looks okay or something, and just a test message. I will write down hey for now. Make sure it's the first word. Control X, Control V over here. How are you? And if you want to include their name, yeah, you simply check uh, the include name button. Simply upload that list. Upload image. You can upload an image if you want to. Let's say include a very small image. If there is a very small image over here, if you can find any small image, let's see. I will include this one for now, just to give you an idea. Now I'll wait for 1 second for now, but I would suggest to wait at least 15 to 30 seconds. So I'll hit run, and now you will see what it does. Make sure you pause. I'm gonna pause it. So make sure you come down here, and this reply button is active. If it's like this, it's not gonna work. So make sure this button is active, okay? And you click run again. It's gonna navigate to the second person and sends the message. I think I have already sent a message to this person before as well. Now it's uploading image, and you can see after that it's gonna hit reply and send it to her. You see, it sends that message. Now it's going to navigate to the next person, and the number of people on this list are 18. Number of people processed is 1. Now it's the second person, so it tells you this as well. So that is Facebook group messaging. Hope you guys would have understood this part as well. So I'm gonna cross it. Wherever you grab URLs from, I don't care. Wherever you grab URLs from groups, from likes of a post, from whatever, you just simply set it in this format, right? In this format, and just upload it to this auto messaging software, and it will send them over. So this is extremely powerful. If you know how to use it, you can grab URLs from anywhere, and you can send message to these people. So this is extremely powerful, but you have to understand how it works. So let's go to the feature which says auto add friends to all group. Now here is, like, for example, I would go with leave this page for now. I want to add she to my G. I cannot pronounce your name though, young G, to the groups I'm part of, right? So I will have to grab his ID and place it in a TXT file. So if I just click his photo, his cover photo, it may be whatever you want. This should be the ID of the person you're trying to add to a group. So if I just copy this, let me just copy it, and I want to make sure if this is really the ID of this person or not. If I just hit and place it in, it navigates back to his profile. It means the ID is correct. So for now, I want to add this only one person to my groups, and I'm gonna save it. Where's my cell phone? Just give me a minute, guys. I cannot even find it. Where is it? Let's see. Okay, so that was my cell phone. Sorry for that, guys. Now I'm gonna, and it is IDs. of accounts being added to groups or something so that I can remember, because when you have lots of data, it's very hard to remember everything. Now I'll just type in a letter, any letter that is I would suggest try for letter A. Group list should be the groups you are trying to add these people to these groups. So let me see if I can find my groups, because it's very hard. John Khan groups. Okay, these are my groups, and I'm gonna add to these groups. So these groups list can be grabbed from the Facebook group URLs and ID steps. Now IDs of accounts, the ID we just created, and if I just hit run, you'll see it straight away goes to the very first group and adds you to that group, right? So work at home self-employed internet marketing group is the very first group on my list. It will wait and then type in the ID. Boom, has been added, right? Navigates to next group and repeats the same process, and you're done. So this is auto add friend to all your groups. Now you can add up to 20 people on this list, maybe 25 if I'm not wrong, and you can charge people that I will add you into 300 groups and a lot things like that, right? So it's adding like a blaster. So that's it, guys. This is auto add friends to all group, and I'm gonna stop it right now. Auto clicker, this is just for like if there are lots of buttons over here, and let me go to any fan page if I have any, because I don't think I have any fan pages. Let me see. This is one of the fan page of mine. And if I go to it and I want to invite my friends to this uh, page to like this page, so let me see, where is it? Invite friends to like this page. Okay, and here you will see buttons like this which says invite, invite, invite. You see there it is, it's saying invite. Make sure it is typing in the same, it is case sensitive. By case sensitive I mean that it should be typed in the similar fashion, like if the I is capital over here, it should be capital over here. So make sure you don't miss that. Okay, and you simply click, you will come here and this, just click here, and it's gonna hit all the invite buttons. You see it hits all the invite buttons which were present here, and now you have invited all your friends, almost everybody on this list, so that they can like your page. If you have not, scroll down to the end and then click invite and you're done. So this is auto clicker, it can be used for anything. Okay, so you have lots of people where it says follow, follow, follow. You simply write down follow over here and just click, and boom, it will follow all of them. Facebook auto invite is the feature which like it is for event. Let me see if it's still working. I have not checked for a long time, but it's for event. You just create an event. Let me see. Events. Create. And event name, location, blah blah blah, and description, nothing. And right, create. Right. You simply click invite. Number of friends to invite, make sure Facebook allows up to 800 or so, so make sure you type in 800 here. For now I'm just typing 10. Starting list should be 0, it should start from 0, right? So like if you have already invited 10, it should start from 10 so that it can invite 10 more. Now if I just click to invite, you will see it is auto selecting these people. 10 people have been selected, right? And now you can click send invites and you're done. So this is auto Facebook auto invite and auto clicker, auto add friends. What else we need to do? Join groups. You can upload a list of groups where, like for example, if I have if I just go and search for groups that have not joined by me, and I upload this list over here and hit run, it will go to each group and hit the join button and automatically join those groups for you. So this is join groups. Facebook group poster. I don't know. It's pretty simple. Let me explain it though. Here is a trick. Now I upload the same URLs. Where are they? Right? Upload image. So let me see if I can find any upload images. These are not which I want to be uploaded to any group. Save images. Okay. Make sure this is hidden or this is not present. Okay. So I will select, I'll just click here and copy this path simply, and you will simply paste this part. Make sure it's a folder path, it's not a part of the image. Okay, interval in second, 10 seconds, number of images to upload, one. If you like upload two images, it will go and upload two images to the group, two random images from that folder. So make sure it's one if you're using just one image, and hit run. So here it will log out, and if it doesn't, like if it misses the group, right? So make sure you just pause it over here, right click, and just replace it with, just if it's lagging you out again and again, make sure it is you log in manually, but make sure don't stop it. It should be paused, it should not be stopped. You click run. It will wait for some time, then navigate to the very first group, and you're done then. So guys, if you have question, you can ask me. Am I going good enough?
John,
Okay. Yeah.
back to the add friend to all group.
Hmm.
When you put the name, it keeps on telling me error message every time.
Hmm.
I
No,
did it
don't.
the same method, but it keeps telling me error message.
What error message are you getting?
I don't exactly remember. I can't recall. Like it goes to the name, and then sometime it gets like someone else, and then it says error message, and then it logs me out.
Okay. I don't
So
know what problem are you
is there
facing. You
a setting that I did wrong or something?
you just don't type. You just type a letter. Don't type a name here. Okay. You
Yeah.
just type in a letter A, not a whole name.
Can I just see this IDs of accounts one more time?
Yeah. Yeah. Why not? Why not? So this contains IDs should be separated by a line. Okay, if you are using more than one IDs. Okay, so this is basically idea of Jing Yi, Yi Jing or something like that. I don't know how to pronounce his name, but like if I just type in here, it navigates back to this same person. I think you're grabbing the IDs wrong. Maybe you should send me that file, and I'll check if that's the right person you're adding to the group. So that should be fine with it. You're doing something wrong for sure, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so let me just screenshot me the error as well so that I can check it out then. Okay, what
All right.
else we need to do?
And
Ha have you guys noticed this turn off group notification, how helpful it can be? Do you know what is it?
yeah, I know what that is.
Okay, so like if I just hit click to navigate, what happens is it goes and navigates to the group area, right?
Okay.
And it just what happens is if you're using a cell phone on Facebook and you have joined tons of groups, you it can be really annoying, so looks like I have turned off all of them. So you can get lots of notifications from your Facebook groups. You simply click to navigate, wait for this page to load, and then hit run, and it will turn off all the notifications. Those are on, right? So this is turn off group notification, which is very helpful, and lots of people need it. You can do that as well. Now, think we have to go to auto join groups. Now, for example, I want to join groups from Make Money Online. Yeah, keyword. No, it should be in the keyword, not here. Search for groups, right? Make sure you scroll down so that you see some groups that are not joined by you. Okay, so here is one. I want to join 5 groups. You simply interval in seconds. I want to wait 5 seconds in between 2 groups. Hit run. So you see, it says request sent, and if there are no, it will wait 5 seconds now. Then it will send another request. You can auto scroll down as well, like let me see, 10 times. I'll stop it for now. Let's see, run. You'll see 2 seconds. You see, it's joining groups from that niche, so this can be really helpful as well. Let's see. I want to join groups from this guy, so I will copy it and surname, search for groups. Whatever takes me to his groups. Right, and scroll down so that you can see some groups. Number of groups to join, 5, interval 2 seconds, and boom. Now you can join his groups as well. Okay, that's it, guys. This is auto join, very powerful feature. Now what else are we missing? Facebook group commenter, graph searching. Facebook group messaging should be clear because I have a very detailed video. You just grab members and place it in the auto messaging file, right? Message friends. You okay? So somebody asked me how to message all their friends. Let me. So here we have, where is the URLs and ID steps? Okay, you need to grab friends of friends. This is a whole bunch of data which is very hard to explain everything, but I'll explain it in a video. Okay, some of the features needs to be updated as well, which will come in the next update. Okay, what was I explaining? Facebook group messaging was clear. Friends of friends. Okay, you can grab friends of friends as well as your friends, so both are same. You simply click navigate to your friends area, which is here. Where is grab friends of friends? Here it is. Now you simply click this friends of friends and say my friends John confirmation .txt. Alright, grab. You should scroll down to the end to grab all your friends. So here auto scroller is also there. Scroll down, click to scroll down, it will automatically scroll down 10 times deep for you, so you can where is grab friends of friends list and open the file my friends. Now you want to auto message these people, right? So these are all your friends. You simply remove this, control X, control H, V, replace all, right? If this is basically the people with IDs, make sure control X, control V, and replace all. Simply remove this as well. Control X, Control V, and replace all. Now we will copy facebook.com, C, Control V, and not replace all. Sorry. Oof. We have to replace it with something else. Control H and Control V, messages, right down, slash after the messages, replace all. Done. Control S and simply upload it to auto messaging and it will do the job for you, right? So this should be clear. This is how you grab friends of friends. You can grab commenters from a post. You can now let me go to the group data. Where is it? Facebook group poster to auto take photo. So let for example, let me see if I can find any photo. Okay, so I want to tag my friends in this photo. Okay, maybe in this one. Options, you simply click tag photo. No, you will have to upload it yourself to take people in it. Okay, let me see. I can upload. Okay, this one. Let's do this one. Simply click take photo. Damn, it's not done taking. Click edit. Who you were with. This is where it goes. Try alphabet E. Number of people to take. Let's see. We want to take 95 people. Hit run. It automatically types in the alphabet over here who you are, and then words and just tags it. Okay, so it would take 95 people for you automatically, and then you simply click done editing and boom, right? So this is auto take photo. Hope you guys would have understood this feature as well. This is very powerful, but for some people, because most people don't like to be tagged. It's different in different countries. Like if you go to Hong Kong in China, people don't care if you take them. But when it comes to US and UK, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, they don't like being tagged. So that should be totally up to you guys, whatever you want to do, right? That sharing should be fine. I have a video for it, a very explanatory video. You see, people are approving me in the groups. I hope you guys would have understood it, and if you have any questions, make sure you ask me now. Is it clear enough? You should unmute yourself first.
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah. Okay, G, you need to unmute yourself first on your Google Hangout. You are muted. Hello. You click here, and you choose unmute. I don't know how to unmute you. Looks like we're having an issue. You can okay, you can ask in a chat if you want to ask, because I can't hear you. You're not able to unmute yourself. Just go to your computer, click the Google Hangout page, and just unmute yourself. Delete comment. Okay, the delete comment is actually not working, which is like Facebook group commenter. And let me share a screen again. It is not working. It will be fixed in the update very soon, right? So it's on my list of updating. Like if I check it, It's not deleting the comments. So Jung like said that he wants the entire comments to be deleted. Okay, I will try to uh, work on it and also delete the entire comments being posted by you guys, right? So it is actually not working. You simply check it in and you're good to go, okay? I think I have explained the tag photo. It's a powerful software. Anyone I have a more powerful than this, which is Traffic Monster. And if I start in a hangout for Traffic Monster, it will take at least 3 to 4 hours to explain all the features of that software. So this is just a Facebook part of it, and I hope it's helping you guys and helping you run, generate money for you guys. And I'm gonna be coming up with more awesome softwares, and we're trying to build a JV Zoo sites like I want to become an affiliate. My card is reaching today, and then you guys will be generating at least 50 to 60% for every sale. So I hope it will generate money for you to sell it to people. Okay, I think everything is clear enough now. So should I just like close the hangout?
I have one more.
Hmm.
The spinning text on the Facebook group poster. Does that
I
feature
think
work?
it has to be the Facebook group poster too.
Yeah.
And you simply like we were spinning comments, right? In the same fashion, messages should be placed and it will be spinning messages. Got it?
Yeah, but I tried that feature too, and it wasn't working well. Like I tried with that and add to friend, and I'm having like
Hmm.
really troubleshooting right now.
Hmm. I think you will have to get if you can like mm, share your screen, then it should be fine.
Okay. Um, like right now, I don't have the